Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to send and receive money using the Cash App. So first thing obviously is you need to download the app on your iOS or Android device. And before we get started, if you want a free 10 bucks to use in the Cash App, all you have to do is use the link in the description of this video and send $5 and you get 10 bucks added to your Cash App account. And I get 5, so it's a win-win for both of us. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. And then once you have opened the app for the first time, you're going to want to add or link an account, whether it be your debit card, bank account, whatever source of funds that you want to use. It will automatically walk you through that, and it will automatically say, hey, link your debit card to go ahead and get a cash balance, or you can link a bank account to immediately get the ability to send or receive funds. As you can see here, I have a couple of different linked accounts. I have a debit card as well as a checking account. So you can kind of see what you have linked here by going to the little home icon in the lower left-hand corner and then go to linked accounts. If you want to add a linked account, you can add one debit, one credit card, and one banking account. And then when you're ready, you can either add cash or cash out. Now, cashing out is going to be basically getting the money that people have sent you via the Cash App to your bank account. That's what cashing out means, obviously. And then if you want to add a cash balance to your Cash App account, you just hit the add cash button there, and then you go ahead and type in the amount of money that you want to add to your account, and then hit the green add money button at the bottom of the screen. Now, in order to send or receive money, you want to go to the middle option, obviously the Cash App logo, which is the money symbol there. And then as you can see here, there's two options. You can request to be paid, or you can pay someone. So in order to pay someone, you need to type in an amount, whether it be $2 or $2,000, and then you need to go ahead and tap the pay button in the lower right-hand corner. It's going to ask you to either type in a name, a cash tag, which is something that the Cash App uses to basically, it's a username for everyone on the Cash App. So if you know that person's cash tag, that's probably the easiest way to go about doing that. You can search via their phone number or email. It's just simplest to just ask the person, hey, what is your name or cash tag on the Cash App? So I can go ahead and type it in here. I'm going to go ahead and send some money to my buddy Aaron. Now you can already tell in your contacts if someone uses the Cash App by going right here and scrolling through the contacts. If you just see their phone number or email, that's just going to mean they do not use or have not downloaded the app yet. If it says uses Cash App, like what it says here with Aaron, then you know that you can send them money. If they don't use the app, obviously it's not going to work. Select the person you want to send money to, or search for them by going to the to option up here, like I showed you earlier, and type in their cash tag, phone, or email address. Go ahead and find the person. If you want to add a note and say this is what it's for, I'm going to go ahead and type in the word money with the exclamation point here. He has no idea I'm sending him money, so some free $2 for Aaron. And then what we're going to want to do is tap the green pay button in the upper right-hand corner. It will load for a couple of seconds, and then it will say sent. $2 will be deposited once Aaron Spivey completes the payment. Now, the other person on the other side has to accept the payment, right? If they don't accept it, if you sent the wrong amount, you better text them real quick and say, hey, I sent you the wrong amount, and they, can decline it, and then you can resend the correct amount. That's how you pay someone via the Cash App. Or something really cool is in the upper left-hand corner, there is a little square icon there. If you tap on that, you can see here that you can scan a cash code to pay. Now, what does a code look like? Well, if you go to the bottom there, go to My Code, it will show you what your cash tag is as well as your Cash App code. It's like a QR code for Cash App. Basically, you can just send this to people by tapping in the upper right-hand corner, that little arrow, and then send that via text, email, airdrop, however you want to send it to folks. That way they can go ahead and pay you via scanning this code. A very easy way to have people scan your code very quickly, and there's never any really element of surprise or issue with that code. Now, if you need to request money, it works the same way, right? You go ahead and tap $2, and then you hit the request button in the lower left-hand corner. And then what you can do is find the person or type in the person that you want to request money from, just like you would if you were trying to pay them. Select that person and then tap the request button in the upper right-hand corner. And so that's it. That's how you pay and request money via the Cash App. Now, there's many more things that you can do within the Cash App. The one right there on the lower right-hand corner, the little squiggly line, allows you to invest in stocks and Bitcoin if that's something that you want to do via your balance in the Cash App. Or if you go to the little clock icon in the lower right-hand corner there, you can see that it will show you all of your history. And as you can see here, there is the pending request that I sent over to Aaron to send him that $2. And so that's it, guys. That was a tutorial on how to send and receive money very, very easily within the Cash App. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great straight-to-the-point tutorials just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.